This video will show you how to do a PICOT search using the database. This special kind of search is helpful for clinical research for nursing, psychology and other healthcare-related topics. PICOT stands for Patient, Population, and Problem, Intervention, Comparison, Outcome, and Time. P is for Patient, Population, and Problem. That means searching for the kind of patient or population, such as the elderly or children with a specific type of problem, such as heart disease or depression. I is for intervention. That means searching for a specific kind of intervention, such as drug treatments or therapies, such as cognitive behavior therapy. C is for comparison. That means different treatments and therapies can be compared to another type of treatment or therapy, or to a control group that didn't receive treatment or therapy. O is for outcome. That means searching for an outcome that resulted from the treatment or therapy, such as lower blood pressure or lowered anxiety. T is for time, which means searching for a study that was completed within a specific time frame, such as 6 months to a year. Here is an example of a PICOT search. The population and problem are college students with moderate anxiety. The intervention is mindfulness-based cognitive therapy. The comparison is to a control group that did not receive therapy. The outcome is reduced anxiety. The amount of time for the study was 6 weeks. The PICOT search is available using EBSCO databases and PubMed. From the library homepage, choose Databases. From the list of databases, choose EBSCO. On the EBSCO search page, select PICOT search. First, enter your search terms. Then click on Add to Search. Here is an example of a psychology-related PICOT search. After you enter your search terms, don't forget to click on Add to Search. The next step is to first check the boxes for full text and peer review. Also consider limiting your search to the last 5 or 10 years. Then click on Search. Next, you will be able to select articles from a list of results for your search. Click on the title of an article to read it. Download and save the article if you are going to use it for a paper or report. Select the citation tool that looks like quotation marks to see and save the APA citation. If you need help, please contact a librarian using the library chat. The link to schedule an appointment is available on the library homepage, or you can contact us by phone or email. We are here to help you with PICOT searches for healthcare-related research.